We'll guide you through how to view Safari browser history on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you wish to go and view your Safari browser history, perhaps something you want to delete or you're interested in just seeing the different things that you've gone and searched for, we're going to guide you through this step by step. It's actually recently changed on the iPhone as well, so it's useful to go and know how you could do this. You do need to go into Safari, so go and open it up. Here we are. Next, what you need to do is you need to head down to the bottom right. There you're going to go and find the three dots, which you need to go and tap on, and then you go and see these different options. Head to the bottom and head to the left. There you're going to go and see bookmarks, which you need to go and tap on like this. You'll then go and get this pop-up. You've got three options at the top, but you want to go and tap on the time or clock icon to the right, and you'll then go and see the different things you searched for and visited. If you want to delete one of these, you can swipe on it from right to left and press delete, or press the three dots in the top right and press clear. You may go and get a pop-up, and if you do, you need to go and turn off the screen time settings lock in order to go and do this. So I could press clear if I wanted to. You can open up settings like so, find screen time, find content and privacy restrictions, App Store, media, web and games. Then you need to go and find web content and set this to unrestricted. Enter in the passcode, and then you can go and do it.